Hey there, Tim and Aaron Two-Man back at you. So today I have a different pouch than what I thought I was going to show you. So when this pouch came in, and ToughBuilt did send me this one, they're not paying me, they're not telling me what to say, and I will give you my honest opinion, and they're not paying me for this video or anything like that. So I just wanted to give you my honest opinion. So I thought this was the ToughBuilt Master Electrician's tool pouch. After doing some looking around and stuff like that, I found out that this pouch is actually the service pouch with shoulder strap. Yeah! It is the TBCT106A. It's not the Master Electrician's tool pouch like I thought it was. So this particular pouch here is, I guess, intended for, let's see, the ToughBuilt Service Pouch transforms how service professionals carry tools. The patented ClipTech, I guess you can read along with me. The patented ClipTech system allows the pouch to clip on and off of any belt, hang from a shoulder strap, or kickstand on the ground close at hand. I guess whether you're a HVAC professional, you could use this pouch. An electrician, you could use this pouch. A maintenance guy could use this pouch. This appears to be a very, very nice pouch. Again, TBCT106A is what this is, and I'll kind of show you the rundown. So the ClipTech clips off on and off any belt. The kickstand holds your pouch and tools on the floor at the same time. So those two particular, here is the kickstand. If you're not familiar with the ToughBuilt tool pouches, it's a kickstand, and then this is the ClipTech. If you're new to the ClipTech stuff, this goes on your belt. You just pop this little yellow, orangey yellow lever. It goes on your belt, clip it back down, and then clips in, so it doesn't actually come out when you're trying to move around, which is pretty nice. So it clips back in there. Or you could leave this on your belt, and it does come with a very nice shoulder strap that is well made. So this shoulder strap is non-slip, which is pretty nice, and then it's got some very nice clips on it, and it looks like it's pretty well adjustable. So this pouch, again, it sits on the desk where I have it right now, and with the kickstand it sits upright, so when you put tools in it, which is pretty nice, they stay there. And if you're like a HVAC guy and you're out next to a HVAC unit, you could put tools in there, have tools in there, and then, you know, load it up. This particular pouch has 20 pockets and loops, which is really nice. And then it has a tape loop right here on the front, actually pretty long. It's got the rugged 6-layer construction. I think they call this stuff like Cordura or something like that. If you know what it is, please comment down below and let me know what the material is. It's organized screwdriver loops. So you have some loops over here in the front, and you put the screwdrivers in, and then you can move them around. I'm just picking it, and then there's loops right here for the shoulder strap. So these are real nice screwdriver loops, and you can also there's loops up here in the front for like needle nose pliers, stuff like that. And these pockets are big enough to you could put your meter back here, and I don't know if you can see this, but these pockets right here have like this loop inside them right here, and all 4 of these pockets right here on the end, all 4 of these pockets have those loops in the bottom of them. It's got a tape measure holder here in the front, which is really nice. It has structured pliers and wrench pockets, and which is really nice. And you can put a bunch of wrenches in the front, or here's a pair of lineman's pliers. You can pretty much put stuff everywhere. You can even take and put your meter in the pocket with the webbing on the bottom, which is pretty nice. Back here there is you can see it way back here. I don't know why it's kind of in the back. Probably one thing I don't really care for is the flashlight being way in the back, but you can put a AA flashlight all the way to a D cell flashlight back here, and this loop is adjustable, so you can do that, which is pretty cool. So it does have the adjustable flashlight holder, and then it has the ClipTech hub like I showed it to you. It's really a lot of features on this, whether you're, like I said, you're a maintenance guy or whatever. Down here in the bottom, it has in the front it has a clip, so I guess you could put your keys on there. Got the tape loop here and the measuring tape loop there. Just a really nice pouch. Again, this is the service pouch. When I got this from ToughBuilt, and like I said, they are not telling me what to say or not paying me in any way other than just getting the product for free. So I do appreciate it, ToughBuilt. This pouch, when I got it, it was actually marked with a Master Electrician's label, and but I finally did some digging, and because it didn't look anything like the Master Electrician's tool pouch. And if you've seen my most recent video before this one, I was setting up, this is the Journeyman's Electrician's tool pouch that I was setting up for my son-in-law Trent. So he's got a really nice pouch here. I actually like this one, the size of this one, a little more than I do the service pouch, just because it's a little more compact, but I do like that one. This one here is about 12 to 13 inches wide. For me personally, it's a little wide right there, but otherwise it's a really nice pouch. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know, and especially if you know what the webbing is for down here in the bottom. Like I said, I'm assuming you can put tools and stuff in there, because it does say this pouch fits the ever-changing needs of the service professional. It's 20 pockets and loops, including adjustable flashlight loop, structured pliers and wrench pockets, organized screwdriver loops and tape loop, and made specially for a serviceman's tools with rugged 6-layer construction. I'm going to put this is the Fieldpiece ST4. So I'm going to see if I can get this in here. I have it in the case that it comes in, but you don't necessarily have to. The Fieldpiece ST4 is a sensor where you can, it's a double sensor, so it's a little tight for that. So you couldn't fit the ST4 in there. You can fit it in that pocket. It does have the rubber around it, which kind of stops it from doing that. But with some doing, this one will probably open up big enough, but you can fit a Fieldpiece ST4 for any of you HVAC guys out there, which is pretty cool. And I guess if you did that, you could put your clamps in these two pockets right here and leave them hooked up if you wanted to. If you know, like me, you know how expensive these clamps are. I think these are like $70 a piece right here. So that's an option that you can use as well. But again, you can put your meter in there. That's pretty cool. This is a really nice pouch. When I'm editing this video, if I find any prices on this, I will put it in the video, and right about this time, so I'm not sure how much this one actually runs yet, since I was doing this video and I thought it was the Master Electrician's video, and so I had all the information for it. Again, this is just a really nice service pouch, TBCT 106A, and if you're in the market for a pouch like this, I think this would be a really good addition for you. Holds a lot of tools. I really think this pouch could hold probably 20 or 30 pounds worth of tools. Not that you would want to do that, but again, I'm putting some of Trent's tools in here. Sorry, Trent, I'm using your tools again for just display. I know eventually he'll probably see this video, so pretty good son-in-law.
Awesome.
So a couple years ago, I started the original ToughBuilt Tools Chat Facebook page. This was the first page that anybody ever had started for ToughBuilt. I know there's a few out there now, so we have about almost 9,000 members. And if you want to get some information on the tools or just different ideas, how to modify, there's a lot of guys that modify their pouches. And of course, you void the warranty, and that's one thing too. When you buy a ToughBuilt pouch or a ToughBuilt tool, it does have a QR code that you scan, and it'll go to the ToughBuilt website. You register your product, and anytime you have any issues, as long as it's registered, they help you out really well. That's why I started buying ToughBuilt tools. I had my original first couple of tools. I had a knife that I had bought and it broke, and they sent me another one, and I've kind of been using their tools ever since. Have a lot of ToughBuilt videos, so I'll try to have a link to the ToughBuilt playlist. And if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You get notified when I post a new video or go live. And again, check out the ToughBuilt Facebook page, the original ToughBuilt Tools Chat.
I'll be back.